Now here's a man who should have plenty on his mind. Shoaib Akhtar is coming back from injury. So far, he's let his side down badly in the field. Good call, Stephen Fleming. That's the other thing that is getting to the Pakistanis. The strike is getting rotated. Right hand, left hand, they can't settle.
If they were able to do that,
that is quick, that. That's got Nathan Astle jumping. 13 overs gone. 73 without loss.
Shoaib Akhtar begins his second over. Well run by Stephen Fleming. They're ticking it along nicely, the New Zealanders, the last 5 overs.
dangerous period because Pakistan bowlers are wicket takers. Shoaib Akhtar himself, I suppose, the villain of dropping 2 catches, certainly one of them very simple.
A ploy he favours, bowling to the left-handers.
Played Fleming, just angling it away down to the third man area.
Oh, that's another quick delivery. Look at where Mohan took that, up above head height. So that's the last delivery. Oh, attempted Yorker. It was a full toss, but it flew past the outside edge of Fleming.
The angle it's coming from for a start. Straight down the ground from Fleming and then backward square. Well, this is actually quicker because of the length. You can see Astle's just a bit late on this, and it's in fact through to the back pad before really the bat comes down. It's to do with the length. Well done, Astle. He was down on this one. This one was straighter.
Well, here's the chance. 2 balls ago at full speed. And that's just flowing, hasn't it? And to Nathan Astle's credit, when he has a go, he does go the whole way. Well, and that's a good delivery too. Another 150k delivery. And Nathan Astle, a little bit of look back too. Well, it's all happening out in the middle.
May not be too many takers.
No, I wouldn't be one. 116 without loss.
Well, ironic applause from Akhtar.
Stephen Fleming, one of his trademarks is time. He's usually got a lot of time to play any delivery, but look at this. That is quick. There's Akhtar again. .142.
Trying to make amends for those drop catches. And Fleming has got that on this. Will this go all the way? That's good work. Malahi there, moving well to his right.
This may be the last one. Stephen Fleming and co have to weather in this little spell anyway. He bowled one with a limp and Napier. It's not looking good. It's angling down leg side. Now the problem is it's a quad area now. He's telling us this morning it's not so much the fact that the muscle was being pulled badly. It's the fact when he put some sort of strapping or dressing on, he lost a lot of skin. So it's more a stinging sensation than a muscle tear.
Yeah, that's quite right. He wears a bandage in that area, and in removing the bandage, he said he lost an inch or two of skin.
Boy, will that lift the spirits in the camp. And Stephen Fleming, he knows full well that that may be the end result now. Akhtar grabs the hat and heads straight for the dressing room. He's got a problem, I think, with the strapping. I don't think it's a tear. It's 123 without loss after 21.